biceps. Zazie. My bicep. Hey stepmom, tomorrow is my birthday and you have to surprise me with some ass. How you doing? It's your boy Ati Jason here and we're back with another video. And today's video gonna be a banger because like we're gonna like like sneezing on people's back, but not actual sneezing, but like yeah. Stay tuned and watch till the end. And yo guys, right now we're still looking for the container like the container like we're gonna like we're gonna pour water in the container and like spray. Just watch till the end, man. I can't explain it right now. Yeah, man. Still looking for the container. It's gonna be a banger. Don't forget to smash the like button and the notification bell and the subscription button so you get notified next time I drop, baby. Cheers. Now guys, we finally found the container and we filled it up with water, You see? Found the container. We're gonna be like, achoo! You see? Yeah, that's a prank we're going to do for today. It's gonna be a banger, baby. Watch till the end. Comment down below. Yeah, and don't forget to hit the notification bell because this is a banger. Oh. What the fudge? This nigga doesn't even feel a thing. Nah, fudge it, nigga. Fudge it. Go to bell. I don't understand. This nigga doesn't even feel a moist. You wanna touch it?
Michael, when I want to come to
Bong bong. Hey stepmom, tomorrow is my birthday and you have to surprise me with some ass. Yeah, stepmom.
Can I spare dois para não fazer sempre
Let me see. It's alright. No, I'm alright. I'm good. Sinus. I'm about to take off my shirt, niggas. Let's take off my shirt. Yeah. Mom, let me take out my biceps. You follow me. Okay, what's the buggy?
At this point, I did some stupid ass shit. I just took off my shirt so that people can see my sexy body and my biceps.
Nigga, check out my biceps, baby. Hey, daddy. Check my biceps, baby. We're out here, baby, in Los Angeles. Damn, nigga. Check my biceps, baby. Full man. Check out my biceps, baby. Kakulu, baby. Let's go. Yeah, we're out here, baby. You can peel. Nah, ready, ba? Fuck, nigga. Check my biceps. I'll say wrong. Full man, full him. Woo. Baby, we're out, baby. We're out here. Damn. Show my biceps. Nice biceps, no boy. Nice. Nice, baby. Nice biceps. Nah, it's a lighting. Can I have my t-shirt, chief? Can I have my t-shirt now? Can I have my t-shirt now? My bicep. Check out my biceps. Damn, check out my biceps. I'm meat. I wanna go to the gym, nigga. Fuck, boy. Check my biceps. Damn it. Woo! It's fun, nigga. What do you want? You want nothing? Check out my biceps. Zazie. We out here, man. You know, my hot body. Because I have a hot body. Because I have a hotter body than you, nigga. Come, here. Fuck you, I'm guessing. I'm not tatomna. So this kid, man. I'm tatomna. And that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified next time I drop. Next time I drop new videos, you already know. Jish.